Our next guest is a long-term city councillor, one who has been genuinely involved in the city scene for a long time and for helping groups to help others initially with the United Way and now with Native Health. And I'd like you to give a nice, warm Prince George welcome to Councillor Murry Krause.
Well, what a great turnout. This is fabulous. So thank you for being here. I think by you being here just acknowledges how important this whole issue is and how important to you downtown Prince George is. I'm speaking as a downtown service provider. I've been, as Bruce just acknowledged, I've been in that role for quite some time. I really do believe that downtown Prince George has a very positive future if we all work together. It really does feel like the stars are in alignment here when you look at the people who have come together and the dialogue that we've had in Prince George over the last couple of months about what really needs to be done. It's really interesting that the dialogue that we've been having locally is so much in line with, it doesn't matter which conference you're at, International Downtown Association Conference, which I attended in Calgary a couple of weeks ago, Federation of Canadian Municipalities, Union of BC Municipalities, the dialogue is all the same. We need progressive responses to solve some of our issues in our community. So it's not about making it disappear, it's about make sure that we do the right thing. I want to acknowledge too that there's been just incredible work being done day to day, year to year in this downtown core. People who've committed their lives to social justice and making sure the right thing gets done. I think, again, there's so many initiatives that are underway right now and that seem to be presenting themselves that is really exciting. The whole Housing First initiative, which has been acknowledged that some City of Prince George is taking a leadership role in, and a small delegation will be going to Portland. The Downtown Health Center, which I'm the executive director of, but we're hoping to establish a much larger facility downtown, but off of a retail strip, so we're not in that constant conflict. Smart Growth on the Ground initiative, which is now underway. And one of the things I'm really excited about is that we've been able to, part of the process will be that people who live downtown will be a part of that process. So it won't just be the planners, it won't just be the politicians, it won't just be the bureaucrats. We're hoping to hear from those people who have to spend most of their time in the downtown core. The City of Prince George has undertaken with our social planning facilitator a complete review of housing options in our community. And so I'm really pleased that that's underway because I think we need affordable housing for everyone, not just people downtown, but affordable housing for everyone. And it's been acknowledged mental health and addictions is a major issue which contributes to some of our social issues. We now have a brand new regional manager who is working for Northern Health, and having met with him, I think there's lots of promise in terms of what we can be doing in Prince George and we can be doing throughout the north. Next. I guess what I'd like to say is it's obvious that we need to work together. No one person or no one organization can make this happen. We need to involve all levels of government, the federal government, provincial and municipal, social and health service providers, business and downtown business owners and corporations, the RCMP and Northern Health, the community and individuals. The responses really need to be multi-sectoral. It can't just be one group that feels that they're responsible for what needs to happen down here. I believe we're up to the challenge. I think we have the smarts. I know we have the energy. I think we have the dedication. And I certainly hope that we have the heart. To reiterate, to create a future for some of our most vulnerable citizens, we need to find people homes. We need to ensure access to appropriate mental health and addiction services. We need to ensure access to exemplary health care and work towards the elimination of poverty. I hope we can count on all of you to be a part of the solution. I think it's really important that we need to put our attention towards homelessness, but I think what all of us can get behind, and we can certainly all get behind sort of solving some of the homeless issues, but we certainly need, I think we can all get behind doing something about crime in our community. So I think let's make that one of our primary activities. I'd also like to say, I'd like to acknowledge, and it hasn't been acknowledged yet, the Lheidli-T'enneh territory in which this gathering is taking place. So I'd like to thank the Lheidli-T'enneh for allowing us to host this on their territory. So again, just so you know too, also the fire pit and the needle exchange have purposely opened today so that if people are interested in touring their facilities or seeing what they do within those facilities, you're more than welcome to do so. So please take advantage of that. The fire pit's right over there and the needle exchange down there. So please feel free to go and visit them. So thank you very much for your time. It really has been an honor to be a part of this presentation today, and let's all work together. Thank you.